So, I'm going to teach you all about the specifics of fuck around and find out. To drive the point forward, I want you all to look at this and pay attention. So, when you fuck around, eventually you'll find out. I'm hoping to give you guys a general idea of how much you can expect to find out if you decide to fuck around. On the bottom is the fuck around section. To the left is the find out section. You first pick a level. In this example, level 2. You start on the 2 in the fuck around section, and draw up until you hit the gradient line. Then, you draw left from there, where you end up at level 2 in the find out section. The lines now intersect, and the area inside gives you an idea how much you would find out. As you can see, the area is relatively small, and you would find out, but it wouldn't be that severe. The severity of finding out is separated into levels 0 to 10, with 10 being the most serious. A level of 0 sits in what we call the safe zone. An example of level 0 would be if I went into a store and farted in the middle of the aisle for all to witness. I would get looks and stares, but because it's sitting in the safe zone at level 0, I wouldn't find out. Now, if I went to that same store and pulled down my pants and crapped on the floor in the aisle, that would be level 2, I would probably get kicked out, maybe even banned, or even arrested. In other words, I would find out. Now, if I was to walk up to an ICE officer and punch them in the face, that would be assault on a federal officer, a serious felony. That would be a level 6. I probably wouldn't see the sun for a while. That's a serious case of finding out. Now, as another example, the Carmelo Anthony case. A life was intentionally taken. That would be level 8. He will be lucky to get out of prison before he's super old. One of the most extreme cases of finding out. And finally, the last example. Iran somehow managed to attack our country directly. We would retaliate without mercy, and there would be massive loss of life all over the place. That's a level 10, the most serious level of finding out. It goes without saying that you should never try to replicate any of this. Now, is there any questions?
What level would it be if I spray painted 67 on the bathroom wall?
Is there any other questions?
Have you ever found out, Mr. Seth?
Yes, nothing too severe, but yes, I found out.
What level would it be if I cut the principal's tires?
Seriously, Carl? You're about 9/10 of the way to finding out if you don't shut the fuck up. Anyone else? Serious questions only.
What if I hacked the principal's PC then downloaded pics of sexy anime girls? What level would that be?
We're done here. Essay is due on Tuesday.